Mailma's call for Zimbabweans in SA to seek jobs back home signals policy shift. The 21st of August 2025, F leader Julius Malema has stirred debate after urging Zimbabweans living in South Africa to seek employment back home. A position analysts say marks a notable shift in the party's immigration stance. Speaking at an F rally in Seshego, Limpopo, over the weekend, Malema emphasized that South Africans must be given first preference for jobs, particularly in municipalities, while maintaining that Zimbabweans remain welcome in the country. When we say we want jobs where we pay for services, we are not saying we don't want Zimbabweans. We are saying we should be given first preference before everyone else to get jobs, Malema told the crowd. Analysts weigh in. Political analyst Kenneth Mockgattle described the remarks as the clearest indication yet of the F repositioning itself on immigration. Although this is not the first time Malema made similar remarks regarding the Zimbabwean question, this was the most direct address from him to them. In the past, he would tell them to go and vote to fix their situation, Mockgattle noted. He argued that Malema's silence on engaging his leadership team, particularly after electoral setbacks linked to immigration policies, suggests a strategic but unacknowledged pivot. For you to stay relevant and speak to the issues affecting the electorate, you have to tell them what they want to hear. He knows that he fumbled, but his ego won't let him come to the public and acknowledge weakness. He would rather silently shift policy to align his party with the aspirations of the majority of South Africans. However, commentator Anda Mbikwana cautioned against divisive rhetoric. Migration across our borders is a complex issue, rooted in economic, social, and historical dynamics that require thoughtful, humane, and collaborative solutions. Any discourse on the matter should avoid fueling division or xenophobia, and instead focus on sustainable development, mutual support, and inclusive growth across the region, he said. Regional implications. Malema's remarks come at a time when immigration remains a flashpoint in South African politics, with mounting pressure on leaders to respond to public concerns while balancing continental unity.